Adding and rearranging pages in WordPress is an essential part of organizing your website structure. Here's how to do it. Add a new page. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Pages, add New in the left-hand menu. Give the page a title, and add content using the block editor. Once done, click Publish to make the page live on your website. Rearrange pages. To rearrange pages on your WordPress site, you typically modify the page menu order or create a hierarchy of pages. For page menu order, go to Pages, All Pages in the dashboard. Find the page you want to reorder and click Quick Edit. In the order field, enter a number. Click Update. For creating a page hierarchy, go to Pages, All Pages, and click Edit for the page you want to change. Under Page Attributes, you will see a Parent drop-down. Select the parent page to make the current page a sub-page. Click Update to save changes. Modify navigation menus. Go to Appearance, Menus. Add new pages to the menu or rearrange them by dragging and dropping. Click Save menu to apply changes.